What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Horror Pinki from Sprunki. Let's begin today's lesson in the middle left side of our page with a circle for the left eye. We're going to start at the very top, go all the way around the eye, and then bend that back up towards the top. Now move over towards the right side and up and draw that same size circle. Coming around and then back up. Let's add two small circles in the center of each eye and then fill those in black for the pupils. Now in between the eyes we're going to draw two lines coming down the center. Now on the top left it's going to curve this out and down. Do the same thing on the right and it'll round out the bottom of the nostrils. Let's go underneath the left eye. We're going to curve the mouth going across and then up towards the right eye. Let's round up the left side, coming down towards the bottom. Go up to the right, round this out, and come down. Now we're going to break up the bottom edge of the mouth with a series of angled lines. Let's start back here. Coming up and in, coming down, up, down. Now I'm just going to pull this all the way up and then out towards the corner of the mouth. Now we're going to add three teeth inside. Let's start on the left. We're going to go up, across, and then down. Let's go to the middle, come down, and then back up, and then add one more on the top right. Now I want to surround the eyes and the face with those jagged lines. Let's start from the corner of the mouth, curve this out and up, come back in towards the eye. Now it's going to work our way around the eye, bend this out, and back in. Now it's going to work our way up above the right eye. So let's add one small point. Start to bring this up, go all the way up toward the top, go across, set a few points along the top here, and now we're going to work our way back down towards the bottom corner of the mouth. Out, I'm just going to bring this down towards the bottom. Now we're going to go in between the eyes up towards the top of the head. Let's add a circle for the bow. Now from the top, we're just going to curve this up and then out on either side. Round this out and pull this in. Let's add the bottom half of the bow coming down and then up in behind the knot. And just close off the right side. From the left side of the bow, we're going to draw a large circle for the head going around the face and then up on the right side. So let's start up here. All the way around, come down, in towards the bottom. And I just want to tuck this in on the right, going around and then up. Now from the top of the bow, we're going to draw in the ears. Let's start with a straight angled line, going up and then out on either side. Now I want to round up the ears, come down, and then bend that in on top of the head. Do the same thing on the right. I'm just going to round this out, come down the side, and we'll bend that in. Now we're going to go underneath the head. We're going to draw two straight angled lines coming down the side of the body. So we'll start with the left, coming down and out, move over towards the right, come down towards the same height, and we'll flatten off the bottom. And we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Horror Pinki from Sprunki. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week where I'll show you to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.